Day Say Kids.
A few lines about the state of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. Its official website is www.ap.gov.in, which has 13 districts. Its largest city is Visakhapatnam. It is the 7th largest state by area and 10th most populous state. It has the second longest coastline in India after Gujarat of about 974 km. Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed on a linguistic basis in India. It has an overall literacy rate of 67.41% as per the 2011 Indian census. It is also known as the land of the world famous diamond Kohinoor and many other globally known diamonds due to their source in its Kollur mine. It is also known as the rice bowl of India for being a major producer of rice in India. Its official language is Telugu, one of the classical languages of India, the 4th most spoken language in India, and the 11th most spoken language in the world. The state has one of the largest railway junctions at Vijayawada and one of the largest seaports at Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam has been declared the cleanest railway station in the country. The railway station of Similiguda was the first highest broad gauge railway station in the country. Satish Dhawan Space Center, also known as Sriharikota Range, at Barrier Island of Sriharikota in Nellore district, which is a satellite launching station operated by Indian Space Research Organisation. It is India's primary orbital launch site. The Telugu film industry is largely based in Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. The Telugu film culture, also known as Tollywood, is the second largest film industry in India next to the Bollywood film industry. Andhra Pradesh has rich culture and heritage. Kuchipudi, the cultural dance recognized as the official dance form of the state of Andhra Pradesh, originated in the village of Kuchipudi in Krishna district. State symbols of Andhra Pradesh. The following are official state symbols of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. The state emblem is Puranagatam. The state mammal is blackbuck. The state bird is parrot. The state fish is mudfish. The state sport is kabaddi. The state flower is jasmine. The state fruit is mango. The state tree is neem. The state dance is Kuchipudi. The state song is Ma Telugu Taliki.
Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.